Hi guys, on the bench today I have a Luxman L-507, 50 watts per channel, model 1973. It is beautiful Luxman as usual. At cold start I hear a crackling and then followed by a loud pop, and then the relay kicks in. It happens only on the left channel. I'm going to try to catch this on video, so then I'll be able to show you guys, what it really does. I'm going to leave the camera on and we'll let it record until I hear the pop and I can see it through my scope, and then I can show you guys on the video. I'm hearing some popping on the left. There it is. And the yellow bar is the left channel, and that's the noise that I'm hearing. See that? And you should be hearing a big pop pretty soon. There it is. And that's what I was hearing. So now we're going to open this up and see what we can find, and maybe find the issue and fix it. That's what I'm going to try to do. Let's do it right now. And there you have it, the beautiful Luxman. Look how this is made. Nothing but quality. Amp right here. This would be the left, this would be the right. The size of this transformer. These caps. It was just plugged in. Well, sure there's no voltage there. And there isn't. That's good. So where the issue is for the left channel, flip this around nice and easy. This is the schematic for this PC board 742 on this Luxman 507. Since the issue only is when you cold start this amplifier, it's pretty hard to pinpoint where the issue is unless you have a lot of patience and a lot of time on your hands. So that's exactly what I've done. What I've done was I've put my probe from my multimeter at different spots of this circuit board to find out where I would measure the most or the highest interference on this circuit board. And I'm going to show you how I've done it. This is the input starts here, right here on this circuit board, following you. Goes through these transistors Q1 and Q2, here and here. And it would go up to resistor 7, resistor 10, resistor 11, and there was absolutely no noise coming out of here. Absolutely none. Everything is working fine here. My problem started after this diode, diode number 2, which is this one on the circuit board. All the spot that I've measured, this was the highest. In order to get to this diode, I need to take these off. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. What I've done was I've changed this diode, and I'll show you what I've done. This is the one for the right, and this is the one that's working properly. This one wasn't working properly, so I've replaced this diode with 2 of the 4148 in series. It's given me a closer number to this, so I think this is going to be working correctly once I've replaced it. Put some silicone cooler paste along the output transistors. Now what I want to do is I want to set the bias. I'm going to start with the right channel because easier access, I guess. So I've set my probe on each side of the 2 emitter resistor. Got 23 here. I'll bring this up to 40. Down a bit. It's in between. You don't have to move a lot, you just have to touch it and then it jumps. There, 40 millivolts for the right channel. I'm pretty happy with that, and it's pretty constant. You know, it's jumping between 39.9 and 40. Let it run there for a couple of minutes, but I think it's going to be alright. So here I am again with the left channel. Start with this. They want 50 millivolts, but I'm not going to go that high. I don't think it needs to be that high. We'll bring it up to 40. So I'll go to 40 millivolts. Okay, so we'll do, this is the left channel that I'm doing. Right on the bottom here is the left channel. Probes in between the emitter resistor. These are the 2 white resistors right here. So you put your probe on one end and the other one on the other end, and then you'll get your millivolts that you need. This is supposed to be set at 50. I really don't want to go that high. I think I'm going to bring it down to 40. It's my choice. I don't think you need to have 50. I think 40 is good enough. Now the next step, I'm going to set you guys up and I'm going to hook up a frequency on here. And we'll test it on the scope. Turn the power on. Relay kicked in. I hear absolutely no noise. Has it corrected itself? I'm not sure. Okay, noise frequency 1000 Hertz going through my auxiliary, and you're going to see this on my scope as well. Turn it on. Relay clicked in. It's pretty loud, isn't it? So we're going to mute that noise. Whoop. My dim bulb is not going to be able to take that, so I'll switch to a normal outlet. And there we go. I'm under an 8 ohm load. And everything is in neutral. Let's see what we get. I'm at 10 volts per division, and there I'm having distortion right there. So I'm going to kick her back, and right now I'm at 21.20 voltage RMS. These are both channels, right? There's the other channel. One on top of each other, they're equal. 21.2, 21.2 for the left and the right channel. I am happy with that. And this is rated at 50 watts. The beautiful Luxman. It plays. It's so beautiful. Hey guys, it's Joe's Bench 506. I told you that I would do an update in 2 weeks to see how the Luxman 507 is working. The Luxman was mine. It was my stereo that I use every day. I love the sound of it, and that's my favorite amplifier. Every day, no sound other than beautiful music. The crackling and the popping has gone. So the issue was the diode on the left channel. We've changed that. We've replaced the diode. And anyways, the stereo is a fix, and I'm pretty happy with it. I have my stereo back. If you like my video, thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And the next video is from a guy down the street. He sent me a Atcom, and we're going to work on that.